Hello everyone, this is Leroy and Oscar Tanner, Programming and Technology Services Librarian for the New Ulm Public Library, here to bring you another quick tutorial about our great digital resources. Today we'll be exploring additional features within the Libby app for Overdrive. We've already covered how to check out books, search for titles, manage your loans and holds. Today we'll be concentrating mostly with this icon up here in the upper right hand corner. So let's go ahead and tap on it, and as we do, it will open up a menu on the right side of the screen. It'll show us the library we're currently connected to, if we had any other libraries we were associated with, and then more options down here. So first, let's talk about managing notifications at the top. If we tap on it, we can see that there are multiple options here. First, we can see we can get notifications from the app if we have an item that's going to be returned soon, a notification for when an item has already been returned, a notification for when a book we have on hold has been returned and so it's ready for us to check out, and another notification for if we have had that ready for a few days. You also see this right here, Learn Libby, which we will talk about in more detail in just a minute. Tapping back at the top of the screen brings us back to this menu. If you tap on See Library Cards, it will show you the library card that you have associated with your Libby app, showing your library card number. But remember that you also need your PIN associated with your library patron account in order to log into the Libby app, as well as to access content and check it out. Now down below in the Help and Support section, if you tap on the green word Libby down here at the bottom, it will take you back to the screen we showed in the general Libby tutorial right here, which allows you to go back to the beginning of the process under Meet Libby again, to put in your library card and your library information. Let's go ahead and click back again. And let's go ahead and look at the Learn Libby option here. This is Libby's very own helpful tutorials about learning the different functions you can do within Libby, including things specific to managing the content that you have checked out. And so working with an ebook or with an audiobook and how to do it. And they even have, as you notice here, there is a little badge here that shows that I've watched and gone through that tutorial. And as you go through different tutorials, see this one says I've looked at it, this one I've completed. And if you come down to the bottom here, you can reset your progress to start over and go through these one by one. And that's it for our additional features. Thanks for watching.